Okay, so let's start. So today we are going to build list and we are applying some CSS in the list. So let's start. HTML. Inside HTML we have head tag and then body tag. Now inside head tag we will write style tags so that we can apply CSS. So this is our style tag. Now first we want to make a header section for our web page. So let's write div tag. Inside div tag we will make a header section. So this is our div tag. Inside div tag we will write welcome to food store. Let's save this, see what happens. Here it is. Now let's apply some CSS. Class equals to, this is header, so let me write it header dot header. First we will set the width and height of our header. So width equals to 80%, it means 80% of total screen size. Height will be, let it be 10%. Okay, now nothing will happen, see, but when we will give background color it will show it gray. See, width is 80% and height is 10% of the screen. Now if I want to give a text to green color, so color is green. As we can see, color is green. Now I want to increase this text size, so font size let it be 30 pixels. See, it's 30 pixel. Let's change it to red so that it can look clearly. Not red. Let's copy this color, paste it here. Now what is this? This is another format for giving a color. Now let me explain this. First we have to write RGB. R means red, G means green, B means blue. So red, green, blue. We are combining these three colors by their values. Each value represent the color value, like first is for red, then second is for green, then third is for blue. Now this value can range from 0 to 256, so we can make a combination of 16 million such values, so we can form 16 million colors. Like we can give any value here 0 to 256, then any value here also and here also. So 256 into 256 and 256, it will create somewhere around 16 million. So we can generate 16 million different color by combining these three colors. Okay, so Now header section will be applied all these properties with the height, background color, and color means text color. Now text color will be, I think it's not save. See, now it's looking good. So I want that this text should be in center. So how it will be? It will be by text align. Text align, why text align is used? So that this text can come into the center. If I will give center, now it is in center. Now we are going to read one more new property, that is margin. Now understand what is margin. Now as we are talking about the margin, now margin creates, first of all we have to know that where margin is applied. As we can see, there is a tag, there is this tag, this is created by the div tag, this boundary. Now if we will apply the margin tag, then here if we will apply margin at top and give 20 pixel, then this whole container will shift it to downwards by 20 pixel. If we will apply margin on left side, then it will be shifted towards right side. It means that it will create the margin value which we will give in margin left, similar as we can see by example. See here, if I will give margin left, I will give some value 20 pixel. See, now it is shifted to this side and created 20 pixel of margin on left side. If I will give margin 20 pixel only, if I will not specify on which side I want to give, basically it is applied on four sides, top, left, right and bottom. If I will not specify any side, then it will apply on the all four sides of a container. It means the div tag, this div tag, because it is header, this header is of this div tag, so it will apply the margin of 20 pixel on all four sides. Here it will be, as we know, it is already applied on the left side. Now it will be applied on top also. See, let me increase it to 100 pixel. Now we will see from left side and from right side also it has created some margin. So like this, if we want, let me remove the margin, it is on its original position. So if I want this complete tag, this complete container into center, how I will do it? I will do it by margin property. I have to set margin to auto, so it will be shifted to center. See, it has shifted to center. So we have to give margin auto if you want to shift it to center. Auto means from left and right it will take the equal margin from left also and from right also, and so giving the equal margin from both the sides left and right, so it will come to center like this. Now there is another property similar to margin, it is padding property. Now what it means? Padding, similar it is to margin, as we have seen that margin is applied to the whole body. Now padding is applied to text inside the tag. It means if I will give padding top 5 pixel, then it will create a margin for the text only, not for the complete tag. See clearly now. See, this text is 5 pixel away from its boundaries. So padding is applied on text only, not on the whole container or whole tag. So margin is applied to whole tag and padding is applied to text only. If I will give 10 pixel, see it's now 10 pixel away from its boundary. So this is a way to move a text inside a container. So this is okay now. Okay, if I want a background color here, if I want a background color, what I do, here we have a body. As we know that this whole document which we are looking at, it's a body. So we will give style to body and set a background color. So body tag, we will not apply any dot or anything inside body because it's a tag, not a class or id. We will write here background color. Let me give it wheat. See, now it's a wheat color background. So okay, this is okay now. Now we will create some list. Again we have to write everything inside div. So we are going in main content, div. So let me copy and paste the code so that we can go faster. So this is the code you have to write inside the div tag. This is bold, various types of item. It means various types of item available in our food store. So this is fresh vegetables, fruits and protein foods. So this is right inside the li tag. Li means list, ol means ordered list. Now as we can see in the output, here we have the information ol. Ol means ordered, like this 1 2 3. Now if you want order in Roman numbers, what we will do, we will just specify. See, we want to change the order, so we have a attribute of this ordered list tag. So we will, this is type attribute. If I want in Roman number, I will just write this I. If I want in alphabetical order, I will write A. So it will be like this, ABC. If I want in greater, capitalize alphabetical order, then C here, capital ABC. If I want Roman, C in Roman number. Let it be capitalize alphabets. Okay, ABC. Now let us apply some styling. So we have to give some class. Let me give it item class. These are items. I have already written code for this. I will explain this code. Items. So see, here we have, so this CSS properties will be applied where, here it will be applied on this div tag, this whole information inside div tag. So let's see what are these properties. First, it will create a border of 5 pixel width. It will be solid and green in color. This box will have width of 30% and we have not specified height, so it will automatically take the height up to where the data is. It means the height which is required to fill this much data. If you will increase the data, it will automatically increase the height. So we have just specified width here. We have specified the background color as sky blue and font size to 24 pixel. So it's simple. Let's refresh it and see. Here it is. Now if you want to make more list, now let us make some unordered list. So I have already typed the code for it. So I have three unordered list inside three div tags, 1, 2 and third one. So let me copy it from here. See, we have added this code. This one, it has a bold fresh vegetables, then it will create some list with unordered. It means it will be shown by dotted, not by ABC 1 2 3 or not in Roman numbers, just it will have dots. And then we have another div, this one. This will represent fruits with unordered list of apricot, avocado and blackberry. This will be inside the list. Now we have third one, and we have protein foods, sprouts, protein bars, whey protein. This is also inside an ordered list, and it has a heading means property foods inside a bold tag. And we have specified the same class to all these three items means class content here also, and here also class content. See, we have three div tags with same classes, so whatever properties I will give inside the content class inside CSS or styling, it will be applied similar to all these three. So this is the styling, content, and let's see. First, it has a border. You all know what is border. It has first a width of a border, then solid, then blue in color. Then the box will have width of 30%. We have not specified any height. It will automatically take the height of a box. Then it has a background color of light green, then font size, then margin top. What it means, I will explain it again. Let's remove it first and then we will see how it works. Then we have border radius of 10 pixel. Okay, let's remove these two. These are new for you. So let's see how it looks. See, we have another three boxes, means three div tags. First, as we know that first div tag contains the fresh vegetables and it has a unordered list. This is also unordered list. This is also unordered list. We have created three unordered lists in three div tags and we have given the same class which is content, content, content. So all three looks the identical. So now see, they are close to each other, so we want to create some margin between these boxes, so we will apply margin property. So if I will, what I will give, see, I want a spacing from its top box, so I will give margin top and some 5 pixel or 10 pixels, so there will be a gap between two boxes from the top. So I have apply margin top 5 pixel, and now see what happens. Refresh. See, it has created a margin here, 5 pixel here. In every box it has created a 5 pixel margin from its top. In fresh vegetables box, see a margin of 5 pixel. In fruits also 5 pixel. In protein foods also 5 pixel. As we know that there are four boxes. In first box various types of items, here it has not created a margin because we have not given any margin in this box in this class. So let us create, this is item class. If I will give margin from top, that is, let's say 5 pixel. Now see, it will also create the margin here also. It will shift 5 pixel down. See, it has given the margin of 5 pixel on the top. Now let us give some border radius to looks it good. So this is border radius to 10 pixel. See, we have given in content. So these three have the content class, so border properties applied on these three boxes. Now this is all about for now. Take care, bye bye, see you in next video.